Welcome to Take a Leaper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add Zoom to your Slack. Now, at first, what you have to do is just open up any of your browser or just open up the Slack app directly or just go to your browser and search for Google and there search for Slack and just go to slack.com. After that, just simply log into your account with your email or you can use your Google account or Apple account. And after that, you'll be introduced to this My Workspace page. From here, just select any of the workspaces in which you want to add Zoom. I'll select this one, and after that, let it load for a bit. You might have to click on Use Slack in your browser if you're using the browser version of it. Then after a few seconds, it will load for you. And from here, what you have to do is simply click on More, then just go to Tools. From here, you need to click on Apps. From apps, you need to simply search for Zoom. If you don't find it over here under recommended apps, you can also search for it. Just search for Zoom and you'll find Zoom. Then just click on it. It will open this Zoom page. Just click on Add to Slack. Then just give it a little bit time. And now it will give you two options. Select the way to add Zoom. You can either add it for all members in your workspace or just add it for yourself in the workspace. Now, either one you click, you have to sign in with your Zoom account. And after signing into your Zoom account, it's going to let you set up a little bit of settings and configs. And after that, it's going to allow you to connect and use Zoom in your Slack workspace. And basically, that is it. And that is how to add Zoom to your Slack. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.